Hello, everyone, and welcome to the next webinar from our Mechatronics Education Innovation Series. My name is Zuzana Fabushova, and I will be your host today. This webinar is brought to you by the Mechatronics Education Community, which is supported by Quanser. And now I would like to introduce our today's guest speaker, Dr. Nebojša Jakšić, professor at Colorado State University-Pueblo, who is teaching robotics and automation courses, and his interests include also nanotechnology engineering education and research. As a founder of the Bachelor and Master's Mechatronics Engineering programs at CSU Pueblo, Dr. Jakšić will talk about how a small engineering department can build such programs and about the synergies of the mechatronics and industrial engineering curricula. And with this, I would like to pass the microphone to Dr. Jakšić.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming, and I'll start my presentation in a second. It usually takes a couple of seconds. The screen blanks for a second or two, and then everything starts in the correct way. And I hope it is correct at the moment. So the topic of today is a synergy between mechatronics engineering and industrial engineering curriculum in a small engineering department. A mouthful, I know, but I'll have a few things to say about this synergy and how we were able to start our program. First of all, I'll go through organization of the presentation, and here we have a few things. I'll talk about CSU Pueblo first a little bit, a history of our mechatronics programs, the justification, how we started it, what resources we needed, and what we still need. Then I'll talk about program objectives, curriculum structure. So you'll see how it's organized through prerequisite diagrams, as well as a recommended schedule, which not every student follows, but it's recommended. A little bit about teaching and engagement principles, what we're trying to accomplish and how we are trying to do this. Then I'll switch to MSc Mechatronics, our Masters of Science in Engineering with Mechatronics emphasis. I'll talk about I'll brag about our labs a little bit. I'll show you what current research we do in mechatronics, which is a part of our MSc program mostly, as well as working with undergraduate students. A little bit about hiring principles, a little bit about internal future opportunities and challenges, and I'll give you a list of a couple of references because we did present this before in pieces. So let's get started with that part and claim that the machines will rule the world. Well, that's one quote. We better be on the winning side. And what late Stephen Hawking said was, if humans don't watch out, computers will take over the earth. Well, we are here to make sure that machines do work for us and they don't take over the world. But what that means is that in our little piece of the world, and you can see our campus from here on the top, that's actually our technology building on the far left there. And we are Masters 1 institution. That means that we don't have PhD programs to clutter our teaching mission. We are a Hispanic serving institution. Hispanic serving institutions are the ones that have 25% or more of the people of Hispanic origin that declare themselves as Hispanic. We have about 4,000 students. So our engineering department has this a few programs. We have BSc Mechatronics, then Industrial Engineering, Master of Science in Engineering with emphasis on Mechatronics, Master of Science in Engineering with emphasis on Railroad Engineering, Industrial Systems Engineering, and Pre-Engineering. In yellow are the two programs that are relatively closely knit, and there is a great synergy between them. In orange are the master's programs of the similar type. I'll go through synergy in a little bit. How we started, we wrote an implementation proposal justifying the program to the university in 2003, to the Board of Governors, Colorado Commission of Higher Education, CAP board, and so on. So basically, went through all the hoops to get the program started.